Hi there. I was going to do one video today, but the more I think about it, maybe I should do this one. This is something that's been on my mind, especially after DJ Expo. I'm looking for your feedback. I want to see what you think of my idea. If you like it, if you don't like it, suggestions, things of that nature. So, I realize that there are people out there that need help with things. I also know that there are people out there that need help with things that they don't know they need help with. And some out there may want someone to perhaps have a look at what they've got, what they're doing with sound and lighting and setup and performance. Now, although I am not the know-all last word in mobile DJing, I'm not. I realize that. But I think I know enough to be competent with a lot of these things. So I was considering offering my services as a mobile DJ consultant. Now, how would that work? I would have to charge for this, of course, but I would go to a DJ who needed my help, have a look at their system, have a look at how it's set up, maybe make some recommendations on how to set it up better, how to tune it better, go with them to an event, shadow them, maybe help them out with some performance stuff. Maybe it's lighting, maybe it's sound, maybe it's song selection, maybe it's emceeing. I don't know. Not everything I'm an expert on, but again, maybe I know something they don't. Maybe I can help them out with something. Going back about, 4 or 5 years ago, my friend Sarita asked me to come to Texas to have a look at what she was doing, to do exactly what I'm talking about. And she's, well, I'll pay you. Just please come. I laughed it off. I thought, this is ridiculous. If you need me to do anything for you, ask. I'll answer your questions. I'll make videos for you. But Sarita didn't know if there was something she was doing wrong. She just wanted to be better. And she wanted someone there with fresh eyes to see what was going on. Maybe that's something others would be interested in. And if they are, maybe I should offer this service. I can't do it all the time. I've got other things going here. But maybe in my downtime, if somebody else has something cooking and they need my help, I don't know. Is this something that you think I should pursue? Is this something that you might find valuable to help you out? Just a thought. I don't know. Is there a need and want for this? Would you be interested in seeing videos on this? With me going out with others and helping them out with what they do? Let me know in the comment section. Just a thought. If it's something that you feel like sounds like a good idea, maybe it's something I'd pursue. Maybe it's something that I'll throw out there as a service that I can offer. It'd be fun. I'll learn something along the way, I'm sure. But, ultimately I'd be there to help whoever the DJ was who brought me in to consult. I don't know. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section. That's it, guys. I'll do another video maybe tomorrow. Maybe not. I got a lot going tomorrow. So, I don't know. This weekend, maybe you'll see some more videos from me. I've got some stuff lined up. I made some diagrams and stuff about audio chains I wanted to share with you. But now's not the time to do that video. I just need more time to do that video, and I need more time to think about how to do that video where I feel like it's going to make more sense to most of my audience, if that makes any sense to you. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this concept in the comment section. Practice and enjoy.